So, fixing my car again. The problem that I'm fixing is that when my exhaust snapped in half, I fixed it quickly in a AutoZone parking lot. I did it kind of wrong because I was in a rush. So, it started swinging and melting my gas tank. And here is the actual proper fix. And some other issues of my whole exhaust is smacking the top cover of my back axle because for some reason the muffler's is being held on by two rubber hangers. Let's start this and jump cut. Now time to cut it to the correct size.
We're gonna grind back and forth, it's grind time. Got no rhythm and got no inhibition. Over the pants and romancing, hot and heavy, we're dancing. It's grind time.
Now time to get this rubber monstrosity off the car. Make it one rubber hanger. It was a bitch to get off. So I just took it off and then still tried a bit more. And then it can't be stuck together if it's cut in half.
We're gonna grind back and forth.
So then I grind it in half.
Time. Got no rhythm and got no inhibition. Over the pants and romancing, hot and heavy, we're dancing. It's grind time.
Time to put it back on with just the one hanger. So you lube it up with some oil. I chose my 5W30. Make it go all into the grooves and stuff, wiggling around in there. And then now, with a lot of force and time, you can just slip it right on. I kind of see why it was two hangers and make it easier, but I got it on. And now it won't be so low, the muffler. Test the coupler. And the coupler does not go on the part that I cut off.
We're gonna grind back.
So I gotta grind it down a bit.
Time. Got no rhythm and got no inhibition. Over
And now it fits.
hot and heavy, we're dancing.
And now time to put on the muffler.
Got it.
That was a bitch. And then time to see if the middle tubing's exhaust fits after cutting it. It didn't, so I had to cut it more.
It's grind time. Got no rhythm and got no inhibition. Over the pants and romancing, hot and heavy, we're dancing. It's grind time.
Make sure it's not gonna poke me by grinding off a bit more. Satisfying, ain't it? And now the coupler. It's kind of hard to get on, but it now fits. It won't come off either. Now testing that again, and it looks like it fits. So you take some of the exhaust sealer, flap it around all the way inside the coupler and on the tube, which was the same thing I did before the last time I put this all together. You see, it becomes solid like metal, and the exhaust pushes it into any exhaust leads and fills it and seals it. And now it's time to connect the tube to the resonator with the coupler. And I like to spin around the coupler to move around the exhaust sealer everywhere. Now we put in the bolts in the back, attaching it to the muffler. And now we clamp it all together. Now, after all of this exhaust work, I now know a trick to know if you made it stable. Alright? Is if you can't pull it out and if you can't twist it. Mine was twisting before, and that's how this happened. So, it looked fine until the car started, and then it hugged the, it twisted and it hugged the gas tank. So, twist it. If it's secure, even without turning on the engine and having the exhaust sealer seal, you shouldn't be able to twist it. Now look at my face. It's all dirty like.
Step in time! Step in time! Step in time! Come on, mighty, step in time!
Sorry, stop. Get out!